have 2 cars that they completely own, so they're free and clear.
That's what Ryan's parents are doing too.
I'm pretty sure they're pretty damn close to owning it anyways.
I'm gonna have to pee from drinking. We should have probably brought the booze just in case.
Seeger, get the booze.
We have time, dude. There's at least 10 minutes before this hits us straight and clear.
But isn't this a good spot?
This is some nutty shit, dude. But look when it does like a double layer.
Yeah.
The sky's still blue.
Oh shit.
Is that true? Like, is the sky still blue right now? Right? Just because we just can't see it because there's no light illuminating it.
Yeah, it's the same theory. I don't think. I mean,
well, like, yeah. Look at that when it double layers. You can like see the blue.
What time is it?
Fucking weird. 10, 15-ish.
Beagle.
I am getting bit.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm not really.
I was getting attacked by bugs earlier when I was walking Beagle. Beagle! Where the fuck?
Damn, you hear that wind?
Yeah. Oh!
Damn, like right there.
Let's go on the field. Let's get ready to run. Holy crap! Damn.
See anything, let me know. I'm gonna run.
Yeah, we're on it. Hold on, someone's calling me. Oh my gosh. Hello? Hello?
Dude,
Polar just calling. Alright.
mom, you were actually probably like,
I know.
say that my mom. Whoa.
Yo,
I don't like that.
I'm outside right now. Dude, this is crazy. It just went past, it just started passing right over us. Not yet. Oh my god. So light. We're walking onto a field right now. Alright, well. Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Peace.
Insanity.
About to get rain down here.
Yeah, it's about to start. It's gonna let loose.
Shit.
Wipe that off. Oh, I think it's so glad morning is like bad.
Yeah, you guys scared me for a second.
I really scared myself too for a second.
How do you think about that? That's what I've been the most surprised about.
Did you hear that though?
That's the wind. It was crazy though. We were sitting out there and like it wasn't really windy. It was kind of like this, and then like in 10 seconds it was like, I mean, a lot more dude.
Not even. And it's just like one of the 10 years stuff.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. Just up there. The lighting's not too bad either.
Yeah.
Okay, well when you hold them, I have to pee. You don't have to hold them like this, but.
That happened. No, it's rubbing against your penis. How cool. Now it's rubbing against your balls too. You like that, son? You like that? You like that? There you go.
Good for beer pong.
Whoa! That was a good one.
I don't know. I'm kind of into the storm right now.
Are you taking a video or trying to get a picture?
I'm taking a video. Yeah, trying to time that just right. I wanted to do what it did a little.
With that one, you could have, man. That was seriously like
Yeah,
the
that
biggest
was-
bolt lightning I've ever seen.
Thanks.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Longest last.
People
That's what I'm hoping for here.
hanging out in the rain.
I think we need a few more people out here.